I like the way the prep works. It's just really helpful to talk through it and to get the support from other people that say, yeah, you've got a really good story. Now you got to tell it the right way. It's very helpful to see what your comments are. This is really helpful. I think it's very concise. You get the emotional element. I think you're telling the story. It hits on all levels. It's simple. It breaks it down. It's transforming. I like the formula you use. I like the way you're thinking about this. You cause me to tell my story in a different way, which is still consistent. It's just more what the user is looking to hear. Your team is doing a good job of looking at this and saying, very frankly, no, that's not going to sell them. You got to sell them this way. And that's great. That's what I need, right? I need something that tells my story in a different way. Anybody that doesn't avail themselves of this is missing something. I think the way you do it is different than what I've seen with others, so I like this. It's different and it's more value added than the ones I've done. Thanks for everybody for dedicating your time. Really appreciate it. Thanks again, Sabrina. Thanks to your entire team.